Heritage Park has perhaps the most interesting name of any theme park, and it is the most it is very famous for train rides, right, right, and it kind of goes around and it does not go anywhere very much, and it does railway days too. I'm Jack Cameron, and this is Train Academy. Heritage, well, Heritage Park, as you know, as you may remember from my documentary, he is has has is a blast from the past, and not to be confused with the Fort Edmonton Park or the Durango and Silverton narrow gauge railway. Hey, which are two sub railways of Heritage Park. And actually, it is a historical village, and we have no idea why they put the heritage on there back in 1965. Heritage Park rose to be about 127 acres of land, and well, that makes it, well, let's face it, a pretty big park, a pretty big theme park. The largest is theme park in North America. Well, let's face it, it's a pretty big theme park, and it has hundreds of exhibits. Dude. Heritage Park has hundreds of exhibits, including the train exhibits. They have the train exhibits, including the steam crane and the goat, which is 2018. And at Railway Days, they have their exhibits running. No, we don't have any footage of that. Well, Heritage Park still runs for many years, and their Alco American steam locomotive 2023 was built at the Alco American steam locomotive works in the United States. And no, we don't have any footage. Nobody has any a documentary of that. Well, as you know, Heritage Park has been in operation since 1965, and as you may remember from my documentary, that we did an expedition to document Heritage Park. Want to learn more about Heritage Park? Click the link below and check out the Heritage Park documentary. And of course, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, and all you got to do is subscribe, and never miss another Train Academy episode. And until next time, I'm Jack Cameron, and this is Train Academy. And don't forget to check out our other train-related videos on my channel. And once again, until next time, I'm Jack Cameron, and this is Train Academy.